New cook suman. Yum, yum, yum. Ayan. Sali natin dito. With ube palaman. Ayan. Palaman. May palaman yan na ube. Ayan ang ating cook suman for today. Ayan. Open natin ang ating suman. Wow. With ube halaya palaman. Yan na. May ube halaya na palaman. Yummy. Suman with ube halaya. Yum, yum.